Hello guys, this is Mark from Lintratek Technology Company. I will introduce the production process of our production line. First of all, we will assemble the parts of our products. Then, we will test their performance after the assembly is complete. Secondly, as you can see, the machine will drill the screw into the motherboard automatically. The display can adjust different modes to control the machine work. Thirdly, agent test. After the products are installed, we will have professional agent testing. We will agent each product more than 24 hours. Fourth, our staffs will stick a brand's logo, put the corresponding user manual, pack the production into the package.